Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show a simple way how you can easily add EMA or exponential moving average to your ThinkOrSwim platform, chart, whatever. Now this is just like a tutorial how you can do it, this is not and how we can use it. So what you want to do is simply click here on studies on the top right next to the patterns, then click edit studies, and then in the studies you want to write exponential. And then you're gonna see the exponential deviation bands and moving average exponential. Take it, click add selected, and I'm going to edit to lower. Now apply, okay, and here you got it. Of course, what you can do is go click on the studies, edit studies, and you can simply move it to price. So when I'm going to click apply, you see that the moving average goes with the line. And what I can do is to simply click here on settings, appearance, change it to bar, okay, and here you go. So this is pretty much it how we do it, and this is how you can add exponential moving average, aka EMA. Thank you and see ya. Goodbye.